PRP is plasma-rich proteins. It is a natural product that we get from our blood. So here at Renew Aesthetics, we can do microneedling, hair restoration, and O-shots. For the hair restoration treatment, we just use PRP. It's injected into the scalp. There is little to no downtime after, no redness and pain that comes along with it. You can expect to start seeing results as little as 1 to 2 weeks, but over the next 4 to 6 months, you'll see the most improvement. It grows new hair follicles, new cells, and promotes the growth of collagen. If you want to learn more about PRP, give us a call, visit our website to schedule a consultation, and we'd be happy to help.